Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 4254 Lake Road in Pultneyville on gorgeous Lake Ontario.
This is a spectacular Nantucket colonial with amazing lake views and access. So let's take a tour. Step into history with a reproduction of an historic colonial home with this beautiful foyer, a formal dining room with crown molding, a crystal chandelier, and beautiful hardwood floors, leading to a spacious living room with built-in cabinetry, a dining area with deck access, and a gorgeous fireplace, all with scenic lake views.
This updated kitchen is perfect for entertaining, with beautiful cabinetry and a center island, plus an adjacent side entry porch, powder room, and an expansive family room with great natural light and nature views, which could be a perfect master suite. This home also features 4 spacious second-floor bedrooms, including a beautiful master, an updated full bathroom, and laundry.
This wonderful home features a sizable addition in keeping with the original classic Nantucket architecture, with a spacious 2+ car garage for extra storage space and a private deck. Also available is a beautiful adjacent waterfront building lot.
Enjoy the waterfront lifestyle with 79 feet of beautiful stone beach.
Historic Pultneyville is a special waterfront community. It has great architecture, restaurants, and shopping. It is a great place to enjoy village waterfront life.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 4254 Lake Road in Pultneyville on gorgeous Lake Ontario.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!